You asked, how to divide 7,884 by 4 using the long division method. 7 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Bring down 8, making 38. 38 divided by 4 equals 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. 38 minus 36 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. 28 minus 28 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1971.